Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on this, and I started thinking there's a couple other ways to do it, and this would actually give it a different type look. So I've got my nudge factor set on 3 inches. I'm going to set my duplicate distance on zero, because the file they sent was like that. And I am going to take this, and I'm going to hit the plus key on my keyboard and make another duplicate. And then I am going to left click, right click in red. I am going to go to object and convert it to a curve. I am going to go to object and break the curve apart. And as soon as I do that, I get the boundary tool. So I made a boundary. And you can see the inside letters are gone. Let's actually nudge it up out of the way. Then I can take that item and go to effects, contour, and you can contour any amount. I just put 0.08 to the outside. I contoured it. Go up to object, break contour apart, and then try to grab the outside contour and actually fill it in with black. Well, let's fill it in with red so you can kind of see what's going to happen. Now we're actually encroaching on the lines up here a little bit. But if we take the whole thing and go front minus back, nope, the other way, back minus front, and now you have a completely different look on what we did earlier. I think it looks pretty cool because it actually embeds itself into the line, and it has a little bit of a, looks like a shadow even though there's nothing there. And then again, somebody asked me this morning why I do the yellow box trick, order back a page, just so I can see if there's any white in there, which I knew that wasn't, but it'll actually kind of, make this look unique. It's actually going off that letter, and just another way to do something that looks pretty cool. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.